If you're curious about how to cultivate a deeper and truer partnership with the spirit and the practical side of nature, we're announcing our new weekend course to be held right here at the Omega Institute in Rhinebeck, New York in 2026 on the weekend of May 29th, 30th, and 31st, right here in this beautiful place. The course is called Nature Listening, Tree Whispering, How to Cultivate Connection by Communicating, Collaborating, and Co-creating. This could be the getaway you want and maybe even need that will inspire you to take the path toward your deepest desire to truly partner with nature and bring forth an eco-healthy world. We invite you to feel a peaceful heart, invite you to expand your intuition, to commune with trees and plants and their nature spirits. You'll quiet your mind so you can turn your thoughts toward your joyous relationship with trees and plants while you acknowledge yourself as a difference maker. My teaching partner, Dr. Jim Conroy, PhD in plant pathology and the Tree Whisperer, and I, Basia Alexander, Chief Listener, will provide a balance of spirit and heart-based experiences along with practical information. You'll go home to your beloved land, trees, and plants with the kind of expanded intuition that lets you hear their messages, as well as go home with a practical process you can easily use to improve tree and plant health from the inside out. For more detail, go to biobaliainstitute.org. You'll be able to register at eomega.org in 2026.
I'm the Tree Whisperer. I heal sick and declining trees by repairing the internal functionality of trees.
I'm Basia Alexander, intuitive interspecies communicator, nature communicator,